DXYZ stock analysis and DXYZ stock predictions. Is Destiny Tech 100 stock a buy right now? Watch this short 1 minute video to the end to find out. We're sitting at $75.11. It's 24% down for the day. Quite a pull, quite a pull down. But let's see what my prediction looks like. Previously, you can see I called it out to the highs, and that delivered exactly like how I wanted it to deliver. Now let me show you the proof of me calling it out, so just so you don't think that I'm lying to you or whatever. DXYZ. I'm gonna pull out a video from 8th of April or whatever. Let's check this video out. Yeah, I think that's gonna do the job. Yes, you can see here me calling out this prediction. This is on the 30 minute, so let's go 30 minute. Was it? This is on the lower time frame actually. Even let's go inside this video. Yeah, I mean this still is present on the chart, and that's my approach. Like still like to this day, So if it started giving me some, now I'm already late, So there's no way for me to get inside here. I'm still gonna keep this on the chart, and be bullish, but that's my directional bias only. Like the only way that I'm really gonna take this thing higher is if it gives me the rules again, and if it comes lower inside this demand area. So definitely gonna keep you updated for that one. This is not financial advice, and I'm only really gonna be bullish if I get their re-entry, but I think I'm not. So I'm gonna wait and see. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.